how to make easy songs longer in Premiere Pro. In today's video we are going to show you an awesome trick to make your songs longer using Premiere Pro. If your song is too short for your video project, I have a solution for you. Let's dive right in. Select your music track and then navigate to the Essentials sound panel. If you don't see this panel, go to the Window tab and select it from the menu. Once you are in the Essentials sound panel, click on the word music. Then check the box next to duration. You will see two options, remix and stretch, to extend your song. In this case, we want to use the default remix option. Adjust the value of the target duration until it matches the length of your video in the project. You will notice that Premiere Pro seamlessly cuts and stitches together different parts of your audio track, extending it to the desired duration. There we go, now you've made your song longer. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.